There's a mantra out there, even on Facebook and social media, that we don't do anything. They call, we never go out. And unfortunately, that's probably the case sometimes, but usually by the time we get to the call might not even be serviced anymore.
At the time of this interview, Dave Parrott with Animal Care Services showed me there were over 3,000 dispatch calls, while there are only 17 officers on the force.
But then again, not 17 officers are here every day because we have people that are sick, training, taking time off.
He says his officers are overworked. The Geographic Information System allows the user to zoom in and target a specific location based on the number of calls in that area.
I'd be able to go in here and put all these calls into my own officer box in Chameleon, and I could knock out all these calls, vice just focusing on the priority 1 calls.
As Parrott mentioned, priority matters. Aggressive attacks are going to outweigh stray calls.
If you get dispatched to, say, an injured call, but there's other calls within that same street or even that same address, they can actually put all those calls into the box and they can all cancel them out with 1 call.
Jackie McCullough is on the Animal Care Advisory Committee.
When someone calls in about a stray animal, but the stray animal isn't in danger and isn't injured and isn't aggressive, unfortunately, it goes to the bottom of the list. And it's not that they don't care, it's not that they don't want to pick it up, but there's just too many urgent calls.
She feels releasing the GIS system will be beneficial to the community.
The people that really, care about, getting that animal the help that they're calling about or whatever the issue is, they're going to be able to see for themselves instead of from someone else what the reality is.
Because the GIS map releases sensitive information like addresses, Animal Care Services say they are working with attorneys to determine if this map is something that can be released to the public. We'll keep you updated on those plans. Leslie?